हेलो इंजीनियर्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ एनके इंजीनियर्स। सो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं पीडीपीएमडी जी सैम्पल क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर। ये क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाया गया है प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन सेट्स का कुछ मल्टीपल क्वेश्चंस को सिलेक्ट करके, मतलब जो भी कॉमन क्वेश्चंस मिले हैं वो सबको सेट करके एक मॉडल क्वेश्चन बनाया गया है पीडीपीएमडी जी के लिए। और ऐसे ही चैनल के ऊपर आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा डीपीटी डीपीएमटी के लिए और पीजीडी पीपीटी के लिए। तो इन सभी के लिए एक ही तरह का क्वेश्चन पेपर बनाया गया है, मतलब क्वेश्चन अलग होंगे लेकिन प्रीवियस ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस को मिसमैच करके बनाया गया है। तो उम्मीद करूँगा ये वीडियो आपके लिए फ़ायदेमंद रहेगा। 60 क्वेश्चन है, चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करता हूँ। नंबर वन क्वेश्चन, TJS एंड राजेश आर फ्रेंड्स, एंड पे है अंडरलाइन, तो आंसर रहेगा ऑप्शन ए कंजंक्शन। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, रोमा कैन बोल फास्ट, फर्स्ट है अंडरलाइन, बी होगा आंसर एडवर्ब। 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन, विक्रांत इज प्लेइंग फुटबॉल, प्लेइंग है अंडरलाइन, ऑप्शन ए होगा वर्ब। 4th क्वेश्चन, एथेंस इज वेल नोन फॉर ओलंपिक्स, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी नाउन। 5th क्वेश्चन, इन 2 days आई विल हैव फिनिश्ड द स्क्रिप्ट, विल हैव फिनिश्ड अंडरलाइन, ऑप्शन बी होगा आंसर फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस। 6th क्वेश्चन, ऑनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, ऑप्शन ए सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, इस पे इज है अंडरलाइन। 7th क्वेश्चन, द लाइट वेंट आउट वाइल आई वॉज रीडिंग है अंडरलाइन, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। 8th क्वेश्चन, आई एम द टॉलेस्ट प्लेयर इन द टीम, डैश है, डैश और क्वेश्चन मार्क है, आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी आर नॉट। 9th क्वेश्चन, ही सेड आर यू डूइंग योर जॉब, ऑप्शन बी आंसर, ही आस्क्ड मी वेदर आई वॉज डूइंग माई जॉब। 10th क्वेश्चन, collecting stamps dash one of his hobbies, option A is। 11th question, in isometric projection the included angles within the axis are, option A 120 degree, 120 degree, 120 degree। 12th question, tool signature comprise dash elements, option D 7 elements। 13th question, dash is a very hard material with high resistance to abrasion, option A diamond। 14th, lathe machine bed made of dash grey cast iron। 15th question, the included lip angle of drill is, option B 118 degree। 16th question, cutting fluids should have dash, option D all of the above। 17th question, the type of tool used on milling machine is dash cutting tool, option D multi point cutting tool। 18th question, the ratio of the limiting force of friction F to the normal friction R is known as dash, option A coefficient of friction। 19th question, the stress at neutral axis is dash, option A 0। 20th question, the limit within which Hooke's law holds good is known as dash, elastic limit। 21, amorphous solids are also known as dash solids, option A non-crystalline solid। 22, brass is an alloy of dash, option B copper and zinc। 23, the purpose of heat treatment is to dash all of the above। 24, the unit of strain is dash, option B no unit। 25, bolts and nuts are dash devices, option B fastening devices। 26, property of fluid that describes its internal resistance is known as, option A viscosity। 27, in Boyle's law dash is kept constant, option B temperature। 28, which of the following is internal memory, option C RAM। 29, 18, 4, 1, high speed steel contains, option B vanadium 1%, chlorium 4% and tungsten 18%। 30, a bolt of M24 into 2 means that, option C the nominal diameter of the bolt is 24 mm and pitch is 2 mm। 31, aluminium is a silvery dash metal, option A black। 32, RS-232 is a standard for dash of data, option D none of these। Jigs are used for dash operation, option B drilling। 34, HSS stands for high speed steel। 35, the most important function of inventory control is, option D all of the above। 36. Standard time is equals to option B normal time plus allowances. 37. FWT Taylor inducted a system of organization known as option B functional organization. 38. TQM and ISO both focuses on option C supplier. 39. The usual ratio of forward and return stroke is Saper dash option D 3:2. TTT means time dash transformation, टाइम टेम्परेचर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, ऑप्शन सी होगा आंसर. 41. सिंबल देख सकते हैं आप लोग, रिप्रेजेंट्स डैश, ऑप्शन ए फास्ट एंगल प्रोजेक्शन मेथड. 42. क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस इज मेनली meant for option A prevention rather than detection. 43. Factors governing the material selection dash option D all of the above. 44. The first law of thermodynamics is the law of option B conservation of energy. 45. Heat transfer in liquid and gases take place by option B convection. 46. On horsepower is equal to dash option D 735 watts. 47. Dash is the science of precision measurement of quantities which can be expressed in terms of linear or angular units. Option C metrology. 48. The ability of the measuring instrument to give the same value every time the measurement of given quantity is taken is dash equal to the differences of the two limits of size of the part. Option A tolerance. 50. Surface roughness is represented by dash triangles. 51. The executive power of the union is vested in which one of the below? Option D president. 52. Think tank of government of India that replaced the planning commission is option D NITI NEOG. 53. Which of the following election is not conducted under the supervision of Election Commission of India? Option C election of local bodies of the states. 54. Mauryan dynasty was founded by option B Chandragupta Maurya. 55. Who is regarded as the mother of the Indian Revolution? Option B Sarojini Naidu. 56. Who threw two bombs on the door of the Central Assembly in New Delhi on April 8, 1929? Option D both A and B. 57. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? Option B Myanmar. 58. Which is the largest tiger reserve in India? Option D Corbett. Which of the following is measured in PA Pascal? Option B pressure. 60. Name the late actor who has been honored with Dada Saheb Phalke Award posthumously in the 65th National Film Award that was announced on 13th April 2018. Option A Vinod Khanna.